Welcome back to While You Are There. Today, we're diving into the best things to do in Richmond, Virginia. We're talking about art, history, shopping, outdoor adventures, and maybe even some science experiments gone wild. You guys know I love exploring new places, and Richmond is seriously underrated. Get ready for some insane views, delicious food, and a whole lot of fun. Let's get started. First up, we're hitting up the Virginia Museum of Fine Arts, also known as the VMFA. This place is huge. We're talking ancient Egyptian artifacts, paintings from Monet and Picasso, and even a whole collection of Fabergé eggs. Make sure you check out their rotating exhibitions too. They always have something new and exciting. Trust me, even if you're not a huge art buff, you'll be blown away by this place. It's like stepping into another world filled with beauty and history. And the best part? Admission to the VMFA is completely free. You can literally spend the whole day here exploring everything they have to offer. I'm talking hours of entertainment without spending a dime. Now that's what I call a good deal. So grab your friends, put on your walking shoes, and get ready to be amazed by the incredible art at the VMFA. Living like royalty at Maymont. Next up, we're stepping back in time at Maymont, a stunning 100-acre estate right in the heart of Richmond. This place is like something out of a fairy tale. We're talking sprawling gardens, a historic mansion, and even a petting zoo. Imagine yourself strolling through the Italian garden, surrounded by fountains and statues, or wandering through the Japanese garden, complete with a koi pond and a waterfall. And don't even get me started on the Maymont Mansion. This place is dripping with history and opulence. You'll feel like royalty as you explore the lavish rooms and learn about the people who once lived there. And if you're an animal lover, you have to check out the Maymont Farm. You can meet all sorts of furry friends, from goats and sheep to pigs and chickens. It's the perfect place to relax and connect with nature. So put on your fanciest clothes, or don't, I don't judge, and get ready to experience the magic of Maymont. Next, get your wallets ready because we're hitting up Carytown, Richmond's coolest shopping district. This place is a shopper's paradise, with everything from vintage clothing stores to independent boutiques to quirky gift shops. You could literally spend hours browsing the unique finds in Carytown. And the best part? You're supporting local businesses while you shop. But Carytown isn't just about shopping. It's also a foodie's dream come true. We're talking award-winning restaurants, trendy cafes, and delicious street food. Grab a slice of pizza, indulge in some gourmet ice cream, or try a local craft beer. And if you're lucky enough to be in town during one of Carytown's many festivals, get ready for a real treat. From live music and street performers to food vendors and craft booths, there's always something happening in Carytown. Belle Isle Adventure Time. Calling all adventurers, Belle Isle is where it's at. This island in the middle of the James River is an outdoor enthusiast's dream come true. We're talking hiking trails with breathtaking views, challenging biking paths, and even rock climbing. Picture yourself standing on top of a giant rock, overlooking the rapids of the James River. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and you feel like you're on top of the world. Or imagine yourself paddling down the river in a kayak, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Belle Isle is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with your wild side. And if all that adventure works up an appetite, don't worry. Belle Isle has plenty of picnic spots where you can relax and refuel with a delicious lunch. So pack a backpack, grab your hiking boots, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure at Belle Isle. Get your geek on. Get ready to unleash your inner child at the Science Museum of Virginia. This place is packed with interactive exhibits that will make you feel like a kid again. We're talking giant bubbles, a working train you can ride, and even a planetarium where you can explore the wonders of the cosmos. Ever wanted to experience an earthquake? Well, now you can. The Science Museum of Virginia has a simulator that will let you feel the ground shake beneath your feet. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. And if you're a fan of dinosaurs, you have to check out their dinosaur exhibit. You'll come face to face with giant skeletons and learn all about these fascinating creatures that once roamed the earth. The Science Museum of Virginia is the perfect place to spend the day learning, exploring, and having a blast. So put on your thinking caps and get ready for a day of mind-blowing fun at the Science Museum of Virginia. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what your favorite spot in Richmond is. See you next time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places.